The home screen shows that the application functionality is divided into list management, where users can create and maintain shopping lists, look at their shopping list history, and search for the items in their shopping list at nearby stores. Deals, where users can look at deals and offers from vendors. Favorites, where users can look at a list of their favorite items according to their shopping history. And preferences, where users can set up information about preferred stores and frequent shopper numbers, as well as application settings. Let's take a look at the list option, since the core of the application functionality is there. When we open the app for the first time, we don't have a shopping list, so we get prompted to create one. We can just accept this default name, and now we can go and edit that shopping list. Our application supports 4 types of input. We support normal text input through a soft keyboard or a hard keyboard available in some Android phones, OCR recognition, voice input, and barcode scanning. Right now, the application is in what we call the normal input mode. In this input mode, when we do barcode or voice scanning, the item text field is populated from that entry, and the user still needs to click on the add button to add the item to the shopping list. Shaving cream. When the system can't really tell what we said because of an accent or something like that, we get a confirmation dialog. We think this is a good thing because instead of entering anything random or the first thing in the list, the user has a chance to confirm the entry. The barcode scanner works in the same way in this mode. We think this mode of operation is good for new users, so they can confirm and get acquainted and get better at using the application. But we think that once users get used to this application, they might want to enter things in a faster way. So we added an option where a user can scan barcodes continuously or speak items continuously, and we call that the fast input mode. So we enable that, and if we go and add new items to the list, it is a bit faster and more hands-free. So once the user has scanned all the items that he wants, he can just click on back and return to the input dialog. And the voice recognition works in the same way. Yogurt. We have this option to speak again if the item is not in this list. Yogurt. There we go. A nice feature of our application is that it's the support for OCR scanning. So users can maintain a paper list like shown here and just take a picture and have that converted to an electronic form automatically. So we're gonna go ahead and run that simulation. So the user is shown a viewfinder screen and where a picture can be taken, and once this is good enough, the user can say okay, and the items are added. we return to the viewfinder because we're in fast input mode. So we just go and say back. So now we have a shopping list, and if we want to go and find this in a store, we click on the menu button and choose Find in Store. In this simulation, we simulate that we're in a store already. So we ask the user if he wants to shop on this store or go and look at other stores. So we say, let's just look at all nearby stores. So we come to the price comparison screen. And after the comparison is done, we can say, okay, let's just go to the cheapest place. So we get a map, and we can zoom in on that map and say, okay, let's shop here. So we want to search the items there. And in this shopping screen, we get information about product location on the right side. And when we click on the icon, when we click on the item, we get individual items and their location. Another feature of our application is that we have a quick access icon to our home screen, so the user doesn't have to press the back button multiple times to get back to the home screen. So I'm going to click in there to show you the deals menu, where users can get coupons. And we have not implemented it, but we also would like to add, the option to copy items from the favorites list and from the deals list to shopping list. But we can do that with the history, where users can look. I think this would be a good thing, that the users can connect to the frequent shopper systems and get a history of their purchases. So they can build shopping lists with specific items from their history. So here a user can, select any number of items and then copy the items or items and quantity to a new shopping list or to an existing shopping list. So once that is copied, we can go back here and the items are there. So, and that's it. That's the mobile shopping assistant.